Just Broadway, baby.
At age 5, she was the youngest performer in the history of Star Search. She became a junior champion, went from Star Search to stardom, starring in the hit movie Curly Sue.
Ladies and gentlemen, Allison Porter.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. B is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I'm gonna give to you. Oh, love is more than just a game for two. Two in the love can't make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. L is for the way you look, you know you're looking at me. And love is for the only one I see. B is so very, very extraordinary. Now E is even more than anyone that you adore. And love is all that I'm gonna give to you. Oh, love is more than just a game for two. Two in the love can't make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Oh, love is made for me and you. Don't you know that love is made for me and
Good to see you. We always talk on this show about Star Search to stardom, and here's a perfect example. Congratulations on your star on the Star Search Wall of Fame. What an honor that is. I was so happy to present that to you. Now, I want to ask you a question. This is just between us. Don't mind them, okay? You were 5 when you were on the show, and I had a little gift for you. It was a big gift. It was almost as big as you. Remember the black and white panda? Do you still have it?
I have it. It's up. I have a little platform on my room, like right on it, and it's sitting right up there. It's 5 foot, huge, bigger than me.
Okay. Now, you told me what you call it. Tell everybody what you call it.
I call it Ed.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, darling. All right. Allison Porter, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, darling. Okay.